Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. Welcome to online session. We would continue with the same drama, Life and Diary of Anne Frank. Today we would talk about the characters in this drama. You can see Anne Frank. This is one of the quotation. I must uphold my ideals, for perhaps the time will come when I shall be able to carry them out. Any quotation being famous and popular about the diary. So we have characters in this drama. The protagonist is Anne Frank. She is the main character. She is the author. She is unsure of who she is. She has two sides of her. Independent, in description, she is independent, sensitive, contemplative, strong, insightful, mature, lonely. In antagonist, we have sort of her mother character. Her name is Edith Frank, and they don't have good relationship. And think that she lacks motherhood qualities. So, description of her mother is unaffectionate, cold, and unsympathetic, finicky, uncaring. So finicky means meticulous, very caring about minute details. We also have her father's character, which is also one of the main leading character, Otto Frank, and she has a very close relationship with her father. So she closest to her father rather than her mom. She looks to him and obeys him. He usually takes Anne's side. So he was a kind-hearted man, caring, supportive, and affectionate. We also have her sister's character. Her sister's name is Margaret, and she is close to her, and is jealous of her. And Margaret was smart, emotional, sensitive, pretty. This is our family picture. So first we would talk about Anne Frank. The youngest daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Frank, Anne is a lively, curious girl of 13 at the beginning of the play. She remains optimistic throughout the months they are in hiding and always makes the best of the situation she is in. As her diary reveals, she is very introspective and creative and has a vivid imagination. So introspective means pondering. She was absorbed in thoughts always. It's the sign of sensitive people and creative people. So she was a unique personality. Another quotation: what is done cannot be undone, but one can prevent it happening again. So she had written that is in May 7, 1944. We have the second character about her father, Otto Frank, Anne's polite and practical father. Mr. Frank is the head of the Attic family. His calmness and patience are an asset in the cramped attic and a comfort to Anne, who is very close to him. So the attic family, that is where they took shelter, sort of a place where people kept the stuff, and because they fled, so they had that place. So that's the picture of her father, Jews, Otto Frank. Now the next character is about her mother, and her mother name is Edith Frank, Anne's reserved and nervous mother. Mrs. Frank loves Anne, but she wishes she were more proper and polite, like her sister Margaret, because of her reserved nature. Mrs. Frank and Anne are not close. It means relations not quite close. Now look at the picture of her mom, Edith Frank. Edith Frank was mother of Holocaust diarist Anne Frank. She died from starvation at the age of 44. So that was January 16, 19 birthday, and that is it means that she died in that concentration camp. The next character we have about her sister. Her sister name is Margaret Frank. Anne's older sister. Margaret is much more like her mother than Anne. She is quite modest and reserved, the complete opposite of Anne. So she is with her mom. That's why she was near and dear to her mom, comparing to Anne's friend. Now there's the picture of her elder sister, Margaret Anne. Next character we have in this play, Peter Van Daan, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Van Daan. Peter is a shy, quiet teenage boy. He soon becomes a friend and confidant for Anne, and they share first smooch together. So they got near and built a relation with one another. Here is the picture of the young boy. The next character we have in this play, Beauty Van Daan, an irritable former business partner of Mr. Frank. Irritable, you see, angry one, not sort of calm. So, an irritable former business partner of Mr. Frank, Mr. Van Daan's family is invited to stay in the attic with the Franks. He is a selfish and openly critical of others, especially Anne. So, like uneven tempered person. The picture of this wife and husband. So Beauty Van Daan, and it's about now her wife. Petronella Van Daan, Mr. Van Daan's vain and finicky wife. Mr. Van Daan prizes the material things of life, including a fur coat she brought to the attic with her. These traits all make her the center of much of the conflict in the attic. So she was like a materialist character, and she doesn't have a depth in her personality. This is Jane Dussel. Next character is Jane Dussel. Difficult to get along with Mr. Dussel. Joins the Frank and Van Daans after they have been in hiding about 2 months. So this character also later on joined them in hiding. He was also Jews. So we have here the next character, the Mike, a very generous secretary in Mr. Frank's office. Mike helps to protect the families in hiding. Along with Mr. Craller, she brings to the refugees food, supplies, and news from the outside world. So it was the helper. She was the helper. Now look at the picture. Looking a nice, decent woman. Dear student, homework. Study of the following 6 pages out of the diary, pages 137 to 140. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.